What Series 10 you're talking about? Playmobil.
Welcome to Audrey channel from Series 10 channel. Today we're gonna open Series 10
Playmobil. But this is another pack we opened before. Today is what? Today is Saturday.
Yeah.
So you have no school.
Yay! I can make videos.
And actually, 2 days ago, your school have what?
No,
Sport
yesterday
day.
and 1 day ago.
Yeah, you went to the stadium, right?
Yeah, and yesterday I was jumping in the
Yeah, you had a competition in the stadium.
Sand.
We got a long jump.
I do the long.
What's that? This is which one? This one.
Yeah. I think you put it like this.
So Playmobil is always hard to.
The donut fell down.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Don't care about the donut. Take care of yourself. It's difficult.
What's much more longer? Oh yeah, it's on the other side. Silly me.
Yeah, because she need to cover her chest.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
So did you win the game yesterday?
They didn't tell us. We just went to jump, didn't tell us whether we win or whether we lose.
There's a buckle.
Bucket water inside.
Yes. Bucket of water.
She got slippers. Like the Playmobil house, you're supposed to take out the things in the middle. You get rubbish rubber. And smash the rubber. And then put the slippers on this lady or girl.
She's a kind of girl from the. It's a kind of Greek girl from the medieval age.
Evil?
Medieval.
What is medieval?
It's a long time ago. You check it on Google.
I don't know what you're talking
But the
about.
Google is not working well today, right?
Yeah.
You got something wrong.
It says, sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Put the slippers back on. Her slippers kind of got loosed.
Yeah, where's your hand?
Here. Now I gotta put the hands on. And the hair. No, her slippers fell out.
Sometimes difficult, right?
Yeah. Oh no.
But you need to figure out where or how to plug her hand in.
And the
This is
water's
the left or
stuck
the
in
right?
there forever now.
Really?
Yeah.
How
this
come?
Bucket. Yep, it's stuck there forever. Can I get out? Get out, water. The
Next
water's
time,
not gonna
you put
get
a
out.
hand first and then plug it in the head, okay?
Not okay. Yes, okay.
I don't know why it doesn't work well today with all those things. It's a little bit broken.
Today is not a good day.
Why?
Because our toys is not going so
Is that
good.
a body? Do you mix something? No, I don't know. It seems that her hair, yeah, it's not working. You need to put them together. You need to put the hand first before you put the head. If I
I
remember.
didn't know that.
Yeah, where's the head? I mean the hair. Her hair is like this?
Yeah. like the same as it.
Yeah, most of the Playmobil hat is the same. Yeah.
Here. The head is not good on.
Yeah. Yeah. Oopsie. Dropped the donut again. The donut.
This girl.
Yeah, donkey. I love donkey.
I don't like this. This girl is so dummy. I can't put the hair on. Thank you.
What's next?
In
You
the
put on.
left hand, in my right hand,
Yeah.
she holds
This is.
the
Oh,
queen.
which one is it?
The
Oh.
queen.
Yeah, this one. Is she?
In my right hand, they put spoon. And in my left hand, she puts the bucket.
Yeah.
Queen hold the bucket.
She hold a bucket of water. Done.
Da-da, dee-dee, doo-doo, dee-dee, doo-doo, dee-dee, dee-doo. Hold her slippers, girl. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.